Welcome to our Trojan label T3-OPX tech support video tutorial on installation and removal of the service tray. The service tray's function is to wipe the printhead periodically to maintain optimal print quality and capture the ink used in the printhead maintenance cycles. The service tray must be replaced periodically and will need to be replaced when the service tray life indicator on the touchscreen reaches 0%. Printing will pause until a new service tray is installed. Removing the service tray. When the service tray indicator reaches 0%, you'll need to replace the service tray before printing can resume. Since the printhead will be uncapped during removal of the service tray, have a replacement service tray ready for immediate installation to avoid drying the printhead nozzles. To remove the service tray, open the service side unit by loosening these 4 thumb screws and then lifting the side up. On the Trojan Control touchscreen, touch the T3-OPX tab. Select Maintenance, then touch Remove Service Tray. Once you open the back door of the unit, you can press OK on the touchscreen. The service tray will now retract, and you can slide the tray out and dispose in accordance with local regulations. If you have the optional vacuum unit installed, you can leave that in place, supported by the gas struts, while removing and replacing the service tray. Installing the service tray. Remove a new replacement service tray from its packaging. Insert the service tray into the printer as shown. On the Trojan Control touchscreen, touch the T3-OPX tab, select Maintenance, and then touch Install Service Tray. You'll observe the service tray move back and forth several times, and then cap the printhead. Once the service tray completes the installation process, you can close the back of the unit and tighten the thumb screws. Touch Calibrate Service Tray to reset the life indicator. The touchscreen will now indicate a service tray life of 99 to 100%. And that's it. Now you know how to remove and install the service tray on your Trojan label T3-OPX. For additional tech support tutorials, please visit our online playlist. If you have any questions, please contact tech support or visit us at astronovaproductid.com.